What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe. Your boy's trying to reach 1K. Hopefully we can get a 2K, but if I get to 1K by the end of the year, I'd be extremely happy. Today I am going to AutoZone real quick to pick up some wheel cleaner. As you guys saw in my last video, the inside of the wheel was extremely dirty with brake dust, and I want to clean that up so the inside of the barrel can look super clean, and I'm gonna be able to take off the plastic dip a little easier so it's not like matted with the plastic dip. So that's what I'm gonna go do real quick. Luckily I do live near AutoZone. It's probably like 5 minutes from where I live, so it should be a pretty quick pickup. I need the wheel cleaner. I'm gonna get a couple of the brake cleaner, microfiber towels, or like a scrub to take off the brake dust. So that's what I'm gonna go do. It's another Z. Today is actually really nice outside. It's really warm and it's a good day to just be out doing something to the car. So today was a perfect day to clean the wheels real quick. Hopefully I'm not drenching in sweat. The fuck is going on over there? I think it's like a barbecue. That food is probably fine. Oh gosh. Yeah, take your time. Just trying to... It's popping at AutoZone today. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh! So I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick. I am not taking this GoPro on my head because that's just a little weird, but I'll be right back. See you guys in like 5 minutes. Made it back. Got a few things. Got another brake cleaner just in case I run out of the other one. The other one's nearly empty. So I also got the Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner. I saw really good reviews on it, and it actually changes color when except all the brake dust. So it should clean the brake dust pretty well. I got some microfiber towels because I do need them. I'm gonna probably use one for each wheel because I don't have a bucket and soap. And I also got Mother's polish to polish the inside of the wheel, which should make it look pretty good. Also want to polish my exhaust, my ISR single exit exhaust, because it's a little dull and it's not as shiny anymore. So this should be able to work on that too, and I've seen good reviews on it. So let's head home and get these wheels all cleaned up. Hills like this used to scare me when I first started driving manual, because I was not good or proficient enough to drive stick. The hardest thing I think I had to learn with driving stick was the stop and goes. And hills. Because if you don't do it fast enough, you're rolling back and you're gonna hit the person behind you if they're close enough. So that's why I get kind of upset when there's someone like right on my ass, because I know I'm gonna roll back a tiny bit, but you never know, your foot might slip and your whole car is going into that car. Keep your distance, guys. Social distance 24/7, 365 with your car, because you don't know if the person in front of you is driving manual, and if you end up on a hill, their car is gonna end up hitting your car. So, okay. is a little loud, so made it back to the infamous apartment garage where I work on my car. I can't wait to have my own garage, seriously, because there's always people walking around and being nosy, and I just want to work on my car in peace. Let me park a little bit this way because my wife's car is parked there. Let's get it. This impact gun is so nice. What the? My wife put that in there. But this is amazing. So much less work to do. You can just zap them off. So easy. Off my side skirts. So easy. I love it. So as you can see, this one's the dirty one. This is the wheel that I did not touch the other day with brake cleaner. And this one's the one I did touch. As you can see, I took most of the brake dust off. So the polish and the Meguiar's should make it a lot cleaner and a lot shinier and just look brand new. So for the Meguiar's all cleaner or all wheel cleaner, it says to leave it on for 4 minutes. It does say to spray it off, but I do not have water or a source of spray hose, so I won't be doing that. I'm gonna just wipe it off and see if it comes off like that. Hopefully it works out and we'll see how it does. So we're gonna spray this on and see it change color. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it is changing color. It's changing to like a purple, which is pretty cool. So it's picking up all the brake dust. So hopefully this helps out and it comes out pretty good. So it's been sitting for a pretty decent amount of time. I'm gonna wipe it off and see the difference. Oh yeah. So I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that, but this looks so much better. It's so clean now. I'm gonna keep wiping. So as you can see, I did half of the wheel. This is the side that's clean, pretty much clean, and that's the dirty side. And it just looks so much cleaner. So as you can see, the Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner did clean it up so much easier than brake fluid. This is the one with the Meguiar's, and it just looks so clean. And as you can see, that's the Plasti Dip that I'm trying to remove. So we're gonna hit that with brake cleaner, and hopefully it removes all of the Plasti Dip blemishes. And This is the wheel that I cleaned with the brake fluid, which it did the job, but it did not clean it as well as these right here. So I'm gonna hit this with the Meguiar's and it should be all clean, and the left side should be all good. And I'm gonna hit it with the Mother's polish and clean these up with brake fluid to take off the Plasti Dip. So this one's a lot cleaner than that one because this one I already touched with brake fluid, so it should be a lot easier to clean and less dirty than the other wheel. So I'm gonna use a new rag and brake cleaner from AutoZone. This one's a new one. Luckily, I did get a new one because I did forget the one I was using last time upstairs, but hopefully this can clean off the Plasti Dip. Oh yeah, 100% cleaned it off. And this Plasti Dip has been sitting here for at least 2 years. I'm not sure how well you guys are gonna be able to see this, but there's no more Plasti Dip in this wheel, which I'm super stoked about because it looks 100 times better. So before I hit it with the Hot Shine, I'm gonna do the Mother's mag and aluminum polish on the inside of the wheel. I'm not sure how it's gonna look because I've never seen it done, but I think it should give it a pretty cool shine in the wheel. Oh, oh, oh. Actually, it does make a difference. It makes it look a lot shinier. Not sure if you guys are gonna pick it up or if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it does make it look a lot cleaner and nicer. Now I'm gonna hit it with the Hot Shine, make the tires look full. Woo-wee. Sheesh, that looks good.
Como ya la vi solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita. Eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Fanática la luce porque tiene belleza y mueve ese booty más con tremenda certeza. Hay con esos ritmos y un par de cervezas. Ya nos ambientamos porque esto apenas comienza. Dígame, sé que nada de lo que veo acá nadie lo comprará, no está a la venta. Y yo le digo más, si tú perreas más, me empeñaría ya pa' esa vuelta. Como tú te mueves así, bien, bien, mami, y con gusto toda la vuelta. Fresca como la playa.
So I probably haven't been doing a good job showing the Plasti Dip inside the wheel, but as you can see, all these spots in here, all around in the inside, that's all Plasti Dip that's been there for like 2-3 years, and I haven't gotten the time to clean it, but the brake cleaner does a great job cleaning it. I'm gonna do a time lapse and then show you guys after how it looks inside the wheel.
De Miami, conmigo mami tú estás suelta. Tú sabes cómo es, cómo hacerlo mami contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, trata, tú sabes cómo es, cómo hacerlo mami.
You can see now it is completely Plasti Dip free, all with the brake cleaner. Looks so much better. As you can see, you can actually see and not see Plasti Dip in there. So now I'm just gonna add the Mother's polish in here and hot shine the tires and we're all done.
Contra baby, confía. Perreas de noche, pero es sentada de día. Le dice al DJ que le pongo una de tono. Si no, un perreíto, vamos a verlo bien cabrón.
So that's gonna be the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it was helpful to someone. My lower back is killing me. So, and it's hot and I'm thirsty. So I'm gonna go inside, take a shower, drink some water. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it was helpful. If you need to remove Plasti Dip off your wheels, brake cleaner is 100% worth it. You won't regret it. So peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.